you want me to pop that coochie, baby. Said I'll pop that coochie, baby. Yes, I will, yes, I will, yeah. You can't walk away from me, 'cause you know I'll stroke it, baby, like a love machine. Said I'm certified to love you right. Said you know I'll give it to you, baby, all night. 'Cause the oldest showed me how to stand up in it. I love to see you shaking, baby, when I stand up in it. I make you say ooh-wee, drop it like it's hot, baby. 'Cause you know you love the way I pop that coochie, baby. Said I'll pop that coochie, baby. Said I pop that coochie, baby. Said I'll be your mandingo, yeah. Love her, baby, you love her, baby girl. Said I'll pop that coochie, baby, baby, baby. Make you say ooh-wee, yeah. Said I'll be your mandingo. Make you start shaking, love her, baby. Listen, baby. Said I stroke it to the left and to the right, up and down, round and round with all my might. Do you like it when I go slow and kiss you, baby, and make that sweet good love, baby, all night? 'Cause I'm USDA certified. Let the love machine take you for a real good ride. Say ooh-wee, drop it like it's hot, baby. 'Cause I know you like the way I pop that coochie, baby. Said I'll pop that coochie, baby. Ooh, get in it, baby, baby. Said I'll be your mandingo, yeah. Love her, baby, you love her, baby girl. Said I'll pop that coochie, baby, baby, baby. Said I go so deep, said I'll be your mandingo, yeah. Love her, baby, love her, baby. I know you can't get enough, so baby enjoy the love and the surcharge, baby enjoy. And anytime you need mandingo love, call on surcharge for mandingo love. And I'll stroke it, baby, so good for you. Anytime you need it, baby, said I stroke for you. I make you say ooh-wee, drop it like it's hot, baby. 'Cause I know you love the way that I pop that coochie, baby. Said I'll pop that coochie, baby. Ooh, make you shake, baby, baby. Said I'll be your mandingo, yeah. Love her, baby. Said you love her, baby, yeah. Said I'll pop that coochie, baby, baby, baby. Said I go so deep, said I'll be your mandingo, yes, sir. Love her, baby, I'm your lover, baby girl. Said I'll pop that coochie, baby. Oh, said I go in and round and round. Said I'll be your mandingo, yes, sir. Love her, baby, I'm your lover, baby, yeah. Said I'll pop that coochie, baby, baby, baby. Ooh, baby, 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 baby. Said I'll be your mandingo, mandingo. Love her, baby, you love her, baby girl. Said I pop that coochie, baby. Said I pop that coochie, baby. Said I pop it. Said I pop it, baby. Calling out my name, you gonna say Sir Charles? Then baby, what you do? Baby, do it to me. Can you stand up in it? Baby, one more time. I say, baby, I can. 'Cause the oldest taught me how to pop that coochie, baby. How to pop that coochie, baby. How to pop it, pop it, pop it, pop it, pop it, pop it, pop that coochie, baby girl.
Juke woman.
I'm looking for that special kind of lady, the kind that drives the Cadillac to the club. I call her a juke joint. Oh, I got to find me juke joint woman, the kind people talk about. Oh, but she the kind I can't live without. The way she wear her pants so tight makes the candy liquor wanna take a bite. She got the finest body ever seen. Just ask Ray Charles if you don't believe me. That's why I got to find me a juke joint woman. with it, y'all. She got him going to the hole in the wall. When she making love, she's the best, yeah. Even old Willie C wanna put her to the test. She's a whiz between the sheets, yeah, she is. Got Jane Brown saying please, please, please. Oh, I got to find me, yeah. Juke joint woman. Oh, I got to find me, baby. Juke joint woman. You know the kind. Drive the Cadillac to the club with gold in the front. The kind that wear the tight mini skirt, the tight pants. She got gold in front of her mouth. That's what I want. When she making love, she knows all the right moves. She knows the 69 shuffle and the cha-cha too. When she's getting down, I just got to have it. Even Tyrone Davis wanna be her sugar daddy. And when she making love, she'll take you to the next level. Even old Johnny Taylor's waiting in so heavy. That's why I got to find me, yeah. Juke joint woman. Oh, I got to find me. Juke joint woman. Listen, catfish and chicken wings is her thing, yeah. She may even drink a bud right out the can.
Here it is. It's that two-step thing, big baby.
Southern ladies.
Now check this out, y'all. If you in the club, get ready to come on out on the dance floor. If you're driving in your car, pull the car over and get out on the sidewalk. If you're at home listening to the radio, cooking some greens and some chicken, you're gonna cut them pots off and get ready to do this. Come on, y'all. 2 steps to the right, 2 steps to the left. Come on. 2 steps to the right, 2 steps to the left. Come on. Now you take it to the back, then you move it to the front. Now dip, just dip, just dip. Gonna repeat that, y'all. 2 steps to the right, 2 steps to the left. Come on. 2 steps to the right, 2 steps to the left. Come on. Now you take it to the back, and you bring it to the front. Now dip, just dip, just dip. Y'all keep that going.
Ice cream and candy are special treats, but love from a southern woman is just as sweet. Like a broken arm, it can't be beat. It feels as good as new shoes on your feet. Now she's got class, she's got style, a real good heart, and a big pretty smile. Southern ladies, will make you feel good. So good, so good. Southern ladies, do it like a lady should. Yes, they do, yes, they do. Her favorite words are thank you with a smile. She's always polite, a mother to every child, a friend to everyone who needs help along the way. You can always hear telling folk, don't forget to pray. Talking about the southern ladies, talking about the southern ladies, talking about the southern ladies, talking about the southern ladies. She's got class, she's got style, a real good heart, and a big pretty smile. Southern ladies, will make you feel good. So good, so good. Southern ladies,
y'all. I had to do this remix for all the folk out there that like the two-step. And I dedicate this to all the southern ladies. I appreciate how y'all keeps it real. Y'all ain't fake, you know what I'm saying? And I love that in you. This song also goes out to the ladies that might not be from the South. You just might be raised by somebody from the South, or just have southern ways. I like that in you, big baby. Keep that southern flavor going.
She's got class, she's got style, a real good heart, and a big pretty smile. Southern ladies, southern ladies, yeah, will make you feel good, make me feel so good, yeah. Southern ladies, I'm talking about those southern ladies. Do it like a lady should. She's always done it like a lady should. Southern ladies, ooh, will make you feel good. Southern ladies, ooh, southern ladies. Southern ladies, ooh, southern ladies. Do it like a lady should. She's always done it like a lady should. Southern ladies, will make you feel good. So good, so good. Southern ladies, do it like a lady should. She's always done it like a lady should. Southern ladies, southern ladies, yeah, will make you feel good. Make me feel so good, yeah. Southern ladies, I'm talking about those southern ladies. Do it like a lady should. She's always done it like a lady should, yeah.
Alright, y'all, the song just about over with, but we gonna keep it going. Come on. 2 steps to the right, come on. 2 steps to the left, come on. 2 steps to the right, come on. 2 steps to the left, come on. Now you take it to the back, and you move it to the front, come on. Now dip, just dip, just dip. Last time. 2 steps to the right, come on. 2 steps to the left, come
Will
on.
make you feel
2 steps to the
good.
right, come on. 2 steps to the left, come on.
Southern
Take it to the back,
ladies,
come on. And you move it to the front, come on.
do it like a lady should.
Bigg, Big baby, Big Robb, and I love you.
Southern ladies,